Alright, after your saltwater flush, we're going to start doing the lemonade diet, okay, which is the second part of the master cleanse. Okay, here's how you're going to make this. You're going to take the juice of 6 lemons. Right here is the juice of 6 lemons. I actually use my juicer to juice the lemons. You can squeeze them by hand if you'd like. We're going to put the 6 lemon juice of the 6 lemons right here into your spring water. Okay? Right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup of our grade B maple syrup. And last, your red pepper, your cayenne pepper. You're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of this. Okay, and if you're not very used to spicy food, you may want to cut it down to 1/4 teaspoon and work your way up to 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, right here, 1/2 teaspoon. We're going to put it in here. We'll put the lid back on it, and we're going to shake it up. Okay, this much will last you about a day and a half, but you got to make sure you preserve it. When you drink this, you're going to drink about 10 ounces at a time, 8 to 10 ounces at a time, okay? This should last you about a day and a half. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a paper bag, and you're going to put this in a paper bag. Because you don't want light to hit this, because it will oxidize this and make this drink bad. Okay, you don't want it to oxidize because that'll kill a lot of the nutrients in it. So put it inside your paper bag, and you can put it on the cup. If you have any more questions, like I said, just please feel free to email me on this. The next part of this, what we're going to do is I'm actually going to go over the protocol on how to do this completely.